Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have decided to do a bit of the kitchen today. We were going to use a different unit to this. If Brenda comes around, you can show them the unit. There's the drawers and everything. We were going to use a different one, but we decided it was far too nice. I will video it in a minute and show you it. So this is going to be the kitchen unit. We've drawn on where the sink is going to go in. Just there, and I'm just going to drill it now. Hopefully it's all alright because we've got a bit of a lip there. Right, no going back now. You've been a lovely unit, but you're going to serve us better as a kitchen. Oh, it's so hopeless. It's a metal drill bit, but there you go.
I think you need to throw a bit of water on it.
It's actually a solid bit of wood, this. It's usually veneer, but that isn't. That's a solid bit, as you can see from the edges where it's been. Well, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's been a good pig. Back in the day.
Back in the day, not
Back
today.
in the day. It was my grandma's. My grandma Emma. Thanks, Grandma. Battery's dead.
Oh, good. That's good then. That's a good start.
Well, we've gone for the trusty plug-in one. See how it goes. Brand new blade. It's the thickest blade I've ever seen in my life, so it should be alright. Brenda's decided we're going to keep this bit for a little choppy board. Or maybe it'll fit in top of the sink. I don't know. And a little hole to hold it with.
I think I need it a little bit bigger than that.
You've only got little fingers. Right. Oh god, it won't go in.
All right, well.
Ah. There you go.
Yay.
Try coming from this side. No wonder it was hard there.
Oh, yeah. Cut through.
Will it fit? Something's stopping it.
At the back.
Oh, these.
All right.
Well, the thing is, we're not going to be using these.
No.
So they're going to have to go in, stay in somehow. I might have to drill the holes out.
Do you think?
Why isn't it going flat there? I don't know. Anyway, chopping board. Fits and everything.
Yay.
So did you all spot the deliberate mistake then? Of course that won't fit down into there because this ridge is lower than this ridge here, so I'm actually going to have to put it out that size. So I've drawn all the way around the outside and I'm going to have to come in just the width of that lip there and cut all that out, but it's going to be a real problem because I'm going to have to put through this bar again here, and it also intrudes on the bar on the front as well. No. So it's going to be really hard, and here, in fact, I can't do it there because
I
it will
think
be
we might
outside.
have to leave it and just put something right. Oh, I don't know.
We'd have to. So I've had to bite the bullet, and I'm going to have to cut it out all the way around the edge there, but as you can see, it's going to encroach into these big pieces of heavy wood. The whole thing will probably fall to bits, but we'll see. We'll see. Cremo's doing the video on today. So that's trying to cut through the double piece of wood. What a pain. So Cremo's called round with the bigger. He's a good lad, that lad. And I'm taller than Cremo now, all of a sudden. Stood on the box. Come on then, Cremo.
How do you do it? Is it this?
You have to press that in first. Can't believe Cremo's broke me worktop. What have you done, man? Look what you've done. Ren, look what he's done.
There, can you see? There's a screw there.
Coming through underneath.
Yeah, it's like slanted.
I was like, oh.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Slanty bastards.
That's all I was thinking of doing, the only way I can get them off.
Cremo's raggy and more of my furniture.
Just stick to being a chef.
So after some blood, sweat and tears, we have finally got it in. And doesn't it look just fine? So Brenda's took it upon herself to sand the top down, so we're going to varnish it. That's what it was like. Yeah, plenty of dust. And you've sanded it down to that, haven't you? It's looking good. So crack on then, no slacking. So Brenda's done a great job at sanding that down. That'll be, I think we're going to wax it over. So now, what she's going to do is give it a little bit of a light sand, because we've got some paint, which is this stuff here. And it says it has to be lightly sanded, so you've got plenty to be getting on with in the drawers as well. So Brenda's got her bingo wings out and she's doing the painting it. What do you think of the colour? It's going to take a couple of coats at least, I think.
Yeah.
But it seems to be going on okay. Minty, is it minty green?
Sage green.
Sage green, eh? Right. It's going to look good. So Brenda's been waxing the top with this, so let's see some waxing action. Wax on, wax off. Looks really good, I must say.
I'll get the handles up.
Yeah, sink in. Yep, that'll be really good. And that, my friends, is a good advert for safety goggles. Didn't half hurt my leg. There you go, nice and straight. I can't tell. Might be a bit wonky. So there it is in all its glory in our partly finished van, ready for van life. So please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe, that would be brilliant. And we'll catch you next time. Bye bye now.